Welcome back to English Talk with Emma. I am so happy that you are here today.
Hello, friends. Hello, everyone. It is a beautiful day, isn't it?
It really is, Mark. It is sunny and warm. I love days like this. How are you today?
I am doing well, Emma. Thank you. I am feeling very energetic today, which is strange.
Strange. Why is it strange? Usually you are tired in the morning.
Yes, you know me well. Usually, I am a zombie in the morning, but today, I had a very good sleep.
That is wonderful. Sleep is so important. And that is actually our topic for today.
Our topic is our topic sleeping? I love sleeping.
No, Mark, not just sleeping. Today, we are going to talk about our daily life.
Ah, I see. Our routines. What we do every single day.
Exactly. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep. It is great practice for English learners.
Yes, we use simple verbs, simple words. It is the best way to learn.
But first, before we start our day, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, we do. If you like this podcast, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to our channel, English Talk with Emma. It helps us make more lessons for you.
And share this with a friend. Learning together is more fun.
Okay, Mark, let's start. Let's talk about the morning.
Oh, the morning. The start of the battle.
The battle? Mark, you are so dramatic. Tell me, what is the first thing you do?
Well, first my alarm clock rings. It makes a terrible sound. Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Oh no, that sounds loud. What time is your alarm?
It is at 7 a.m., but I do not get up.
You don't?
No. I press the snooze button. I sleep for 10 more minutes.
Mark, that is a bad habit.
I know. But my bed is so warm. It is cozy. I just want 5 more minutes. What about you, Emma? Are you lazy in the morning?
No, I am not. I am a morning person.
Really? You like the morning?
I love it. I wake up at 6 a.m., no alarm clock.
No alarm clock? How?
My body just knows. I open my eyes. I see the sun through the window. It makes me happy.
Wow. You are very organized. So, you wake up at 6 a.m. What do you do next?
I get up immediately. I make my bed.
You make your bed? Every day?
Yes, every day. A clean room is a happy room. Then I go to the kitchen. I need my favorite drink.
Let me guess. Coffee?
Yes, hot coffee, fresh coffee. The smell of coffee is the best smell in the world.
I agree with that. I need coffee too. But I need it to open my eyes.
Do you drink black coffee?
No, that is too bitter. I put a lot of milk and a lot of sugar in my cup. I like it sweet.
I see. I like my coffee with just a little milk. No sugar.
Okay, so we have coffee. We are awake. What about food? Do you eat breakfast?
Of course. Breakfast is the most important meal. I usually eat oatmeal with fruit, maybe a banana, or some strawberries.
That sounds healthy.
It is. It gives me energy. What about you, Mark? What is your breakfast?
Well, usually I am late because of the snooze button.
Of course. So you don't eat?
I grab something fast, maybe a piece of toast or a donut.
A donut for breakfast? That is a lot of sugar.
I know, but it is delicious. And it is fast. I eat it while I am looking for my keys.
You lose your keys?
Every morning. Where are my keys? Where's my wallet? It is chaos.
Oh, Mark, you need a routine. You need a special place for your keys.
You are right. I will try. Okay, so after breakfast, we have to go to work.
Yes, the commute. I actually like my commute.
You like going to work? Do you drive?
No, I do not have a car. I take the subway, the train.
Is the train crowded?
Yes. In the morning, there are many people. Everyone is going to work. But I sit down, I put on my headphones, and I listen to a podcast.
A podcast? Like this one?
Yes, like this one! Or I listen to relaxing music. It is my quiet time. It takes about 20 minutes.
That is not bad. 20 minutes is fast.
How do you go to work, Mark?
I drive my car, and I hate it.
Oh no, why?
The traffic. The traffic in the city is terrible. There are too many cars, red lights, stop and go, stop and go.
I understand. Traffic is very stressful.
Yes, sometimes I shout in my car. Move! Go faster!
Mark, you must be patient.
It is hard, but I listen to the radio. The news helps me distract myself.
Okay, so we arrive at work. We are at the office.
Yes, safe at the office. I sit at my desk, I turn on my computer, and I take a deep breath.
What is the first thing you do at work?
I check my emails. I usually have 50 new emails.
50? That is a lot.
It is. I read them. I reply to them. Type, type, type. My fingers are very busy.
My job is a little different. I am a teacher, remember?
Oh, yes, I forgot. So you do not sit at a desk all day.
No, I stand up. I talk to my students. I write on the whiteboard. It is very active. I walk around the classroom a lot.
Do you get tired?
A little bit. My feet get tired. But I love talking to people. It is fun.
That is nice. My job is quiet. Sometimes I do not talk to anyone for 2 hours. I just look at my screen.
That sounds a bit boring and lonely.
It is okay. I like quiet. But around 1 p.m., I get very hungry.
Ah, lunchtime, my favorite part of the day.
Me too. What do you do for lunch? Do you go to a restaurant?
No, restaurants are expensive. I bring my lunch from home.
You cook?
Yes, I bring a salad, or maybe a sandwich, or some rice and chicken. I put it in a box.
That is very smart. You save money.
Yes, and it is healthier. What about you? Let me guess. You buy lunch?
Guilty. Yes. I go out with my coworkers. We go to a burger place or a pizza place.
Pizza again? Mark, you need vegetables.
Pizza has tomato sauce. Tomatoes are a vegetable. Sort of.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so lunch is over. We work more. And then it is 5 p.m.
Yay! 5 p.m. Freedom!
Yes, time to go home. I am usually very tired at the end of the day.
Me too. I drive home. The traffic is bad again, but I am happy because I am going to my house.
What is the first thing you do when you walk inside your house?
I take off my shoes. And I take off my work clothes. I put on my sweatpants.
Yes! Comfy clothes. That is the best feeling. I put on my pajamas immediately.
Immediately? At 5:30?
Yes, why not? I want to be comfortable. Then I cook dinner.
You cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Emma, you are a chef.
I just like cooking. It relaxes me. I chop the vegetables. Chop, chop, chop. I stir the pot. It smells good.
I do not like cooking. It is messy. I have to wash the dishes after. And I hate washing dishes.
So, what do you eat for dinner?
Usually, I eat something simple. Maybe a sandwich. Or sometimes I order food on my phone.
Like Chinese food?
Yes, or Indian food. It arrives at my door. It is magic.
That is convenient. But I like my routine. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. And then I relax.
What is your hobby in the evening? Do you watch TV?
Sometimes I like to watch funny movies. I like to laugh. But usually I read a book.
You read books? Real books?
Yes, paper books. I sit on my sofa, I have a cup of tea, herbal tea, and I read for 1 hour. It makes me sleepy.
That sounds very peaceful.
What do you do, Mark? Do you read?
No, I play video games.
Video games? Really?
Yes, it is fun. I play online with my friends. We talk, we laugh, we shout.
You shout? At night? Do your neighbors hear you?
Maybe. Sometimes I get too excited. Go left, go right, watch out.
You are like a little boy, Mark.
Everybody needs a hobby. It helps me forget about work. But after playing, I watch TV shows
Until what time?
until maybe midnight, 12 a.m.
Midnight? Mark, that is so late.
I know, I am a night owl. I like the night. It is quiet. My brain is active at night.
But remember the morning? You are tired in the morning.
Yes, it is a circle. A bad circle. I go to sleep late. I wake up tired. I drink coffee. I stay up late again.
You need to sleep earlier. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
10 p.m.? That is early.
It is perfect. I brush my teeth, I wash my face.
Ah, yes. Brushing teeth. Very important. Brush, brush, brush.
Then I get into bed. My bed is soft. My pillow is cool. I close my eyes, and in 5 minutes, I am asleep.
I am jealous. I lie in bed and I look at my phone. I scroll and scroll and scroll.
No phone in bed, Mark. That is the rule. The blue light is bad for your sleep.
I know, Mom. I mean, Emma, you are right. I should leave my phone in the kitchen.
Yes, try it tonight. You will sleep better.
I will try. I promise.
Good. So, that is our day. Morning, work, evening, and night.
It seems simple, but a lot happens in one day.
Yes, our days are full of small moments. Coffee, traffic, emails, pizza, books, and sleep.
And it is different for everyone. My routine is messy. Your routine is perfect.
It is not perfect, but it works for me. And that is important. Finding a routine that works for you.
Exactly.
Well, friends, we have reached the end of our day and the end of this episode.
Aw. It is over already? That was fast.
Time flies when you are having fun.
True. We hope you enjoyed listening to our daily life.
We used many verbs today: wake up, eat, drive, work, cook, sleep.
Try to use these words to describe your day.
Yes! And we have a question for you, a challenge.
Ooh, I love challenges. What is it?
Please tell us in the comments, are you a morning person or a night person?
Good question. Are you like Emma? Do you wake up with the sun?
Or are you like Mark? Do you like the moon and video games?
Hey, being a night person is cool too.
We want to know. Please write it in the comments below. We read every comment.
Yes, we do. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for listening. Practice your English every day, even for 5 minutes.
A little practice is better than no practice.
See you in the next episode, everyone. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night.
Goodbye, friends. Sleep well.
Bye!